Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Dodge Journey window switch issues. First, let's identify the common problems you might encounter, such as a window not moving or only moving intermittently. It's important to figure out if the problem is electrical, like a faulty switch or wiring, or mechanical, such as a motor issue. A quick check for power at the switch and motor can help narrow down the cause. Before diving deeper, let's cover some basic troubleshooting steps. You'll want to have a few simple tools on hand, including a screwdriver set and a multimeter. Start by inspecting the fuse box for any blown fuses that control your power windows. Then, use your multimeter to test the window motor directly, ensuring it receives the correct voltage when activated. If troubleshooting points to a faulty switch, replacing it is often straightforward. Begin by carefully removing the interior door panel to gain access to the switch assembly. Once exposed, gently disconnect the wiring harness from the old switch. Then, simply plug in your new window switch, ensuring all connections are secure, and reassemble the door panel in reverse order. After installing the new switch, it's crucial to test all window functions to confirm everything works correctly. Operate each window up and down several times to ensure smooth operation. Double-check that all electrical connections are secure and tight to prevent future issues. If you encounter persistent or complex electrical problems, it's always wise to consult with a qualified automotive technician.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.